a Kindle Unlimited subscription for free. The only legal way is by using the official free trial, if it's available for your account. First, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Kindle Unlimited page. Second, sign into your Amazon account or create one if you don't have it yet. Third, check if the free trial offer is available. Free trials are usually offered to new or eligible users. If the trial appears, activate it and confirm your payment method. You won't be charged during the free trial period. Once activated, you'll get unlimited access to thousands of eBooks, audiobooks, and magazines included in Kindle Unlimited. Remember, if you've used the free trial before, it may not be available again. If you don't want to continue after the free period, make sure to cancel before the billing date to avoid charges. Always use the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to stay safe and avoid fake offers.